Hey everyone, Josh Oakey here from the Customer Service Movement. I hope you are fantastic. Today I am going to share with you how to firstly download a Facebook Live video or any video for that matter from your Facebook timeline, and then to upload an SRT file to allow you to add captions to that video, because 80% of Facebook users don't actually turn audio on when they are watching the video. So if you're trying to share an important message, they need to be able to see it, not just hear it, and that's where captions come into their own. So first things first, go to your Facebook business page. I am there at the moment, the Customer Service Movement, and I go down to a Facebook Live video that I've already done. I click on the video itself.
Hey everyone, I tried to do this Facebook Live during the workshop, but as you
And
can see,
let's
everyone
just pause that video for now. In the right hand corner you have three dots. Now if you don't and it's just looking like this, there will be your three dots for you, and what you want to do is download the video. So download video, it'll go to your download file on your desktop. Just a reminder to do this on your desktop. So that's sitting there. You then go into rev.com. Oh, sorry, before you do, if this file is any more than about 10 megabytes, I suggest that you download it into into your Google Drive or into OneDrive or into Dropbox or even to Amazon S3 storage, where you can grab a URL for the video, not try and upload the whole video into rev.com. Now rev.com is a transcription caption translation service. Now it is super affordable. It costs you $1 per minute of video or audio to get a caption, or $1 a minute of audio or video to get it transcribed to text. Now that is so affordable that all businesses should be able to do this. Remember how much value you put on your own time. So go into captions, because that's what we want. Then you go to get started, and then upload files from your computer, so that you can just upload that downloaded file, that one there, or you can paste the URL or even use your integrated use from YouTube. But in this case I've uploaded a file, so you click on that one and then you can just drag and drop it in there. Do that, upload it, and it goes through the process, and then it'll take you to the payment screen where you enter in your details. Now I've already done this just for the fact that it took a little I will show you the process. I have already done it, so I'm not going to sign in. Drop to upload. I'll just pause while that's uploading. Okay, as you can see, the upload has finished, and my video of 1 minute and 20 seconds has been rounded up to 2 minutes, so it's going to cost me $2. That's it. Now this is US dollars. So then you go to checkout. Go down. We make sure that we check the .srt file, so subrip.srt, and then just put in your project name, whatever you want to call it, so it's easy for you to find, and then check out. That'll take you to your sign-in page where you need to enter your details and then create the order and order placed. Now I've done this, as I said. It took under 50 minutes for the order to be sent and then for me to receive the caption file. So I'll just go to my emails and open up the file. Now here it'll populate, it'll download. all that you need to do is have a look through and see how the punctuation is. Some things may not be right, like capitalization of your business name, other bits and pieces like that. So if you see that there is anything that you need to edit in here, what you can do is copy the whole file. So Control C, open up your notepad, paste it in there by doing Control V, or if you're on a Mac, it'll obviously be Command C and Command V. Now, one of the things that I can see right there is just get rid of that. Hey everyone, I'll try to do this Facebook Live during the workshop. Just had an amazing second workshop with Bunbury business owners sharing with them some use Facebook, but I really wanted to show how these Facebook Lives work. So what I'm going to do is I'll edit this post when I get to the office tomorrow. I'll tag all these people. So that all looks good. It sounds exactly like what I've just said, and I'm now happy to save that. So we go File, Save As, and I will. Now here is the important, all important. Okay, so you do Facebook Live workshop, captions. Now this is the important bit. You have to do .en underscore capital U capital S .srt. Now this is for Facebook. That file extension is for Facebook. Okay, so we'll go all files, leave it as us.srt, and then save. All done. Now we go back into Facebook. Now this is where it gets interesting, and I want to show you something. Facebook have, so we're going to edit. So I jumped a section there. I'll go back a step. So those three buttons again, edit post. So this is where you can edit the content which sits above your video. You can also add a video title that will help your video become more discoverable and people search. So Facebook Live from Bunbury Facebook Marketing Workshop. Video tags, I'm going to put in Bunbury because it's location based. I'm going to put in Facebook for business and small business training if it comes up. Now you are at the discretion of Facebook about what populates there, so I'll just do small business owners. So that's there. I can also check in here. So this was taken at Hotel Lord Forest. There they are. I could tag people in the post if I wanted to, and I can set the date and time of your post. So the year was 2016. The month was of course November, and the day was the 15th. Okay, and why not? We'll put in the hour. I think it was pretty late. It was about 10 o'clock. Whoa. Okay, let's do 9 and I think it was about 9:40. Now we go to, let's make sure that's right. Go into captions. Now you can generate the captions. This is what Facebook is allowing you to do. Now when you click this, check out what the captions look like. If you have a look at that and compare that, hey everyone, we're trying to do this Facebook want during the workshop, which you can see. Hey everyone, I tried to do this Facebook Live during the workshop. Does that even look close enough to it? But as you can see, everyone has actually left the building. Just had my second workshop. So by paying $2, I have got almost word to word what I've said, compared to going for the Facebook one of generating it, which isn't even close. Now That being said, I'm sure Facebook will get better with this. But for now, spend the $2 and put in the and use rev.com. So now I'm going to upload the SRT file. Find that. Facebook Live Workshop captions.en_us.srt. Remember that, it's very important. Default language, English. And then we go to say advanced. You can prohibit embedding, so it means that no one can use your video on theirs. And then cross-posting, that's a lesson for another day. So we're all set up. I've tagged all the businesses who are at the Facebook. You can then change your thumbnail depending on what you want people to see. As you can see, it looks like I'm kissing someone there. You just want something that people are going to see and then connect with. And what do we got here? You can also add your own custom, but I'm not going to do that. There we go, that'll do, and save. Okay, so I obviously did that. Let's do 920. All right, I'll just pull. So the video is all published now. I'll just go down and check it out. And there we have it. As there is no sound, there is the captions.
I tried to do this Facebook Live during the workshop, but
as soon as the sound is turned on, the captions go away. You can enable the captions
around how to use Facebook to generate more customers and more sales to their business.
So the customers,
but I really wanted to show them how these Facebook Lives work.
So
what I'm going to do is
but the most important thing is when the audio is off, the captions are coming on. All right, so that's how to add captions to your Facebook Live video and how to edit your Facebook Live video after the fact. All right, so that was about 13 minutes from start to finish of plus obviously the time you need to wait for Rev to send you through the SRT file. So sort of within an hour and a half of you taking a video, you can have it fully captioned and running on your page. Alright guys, Josh Oakey from the Customer Service Movement. If you've liked this tip, please like the Customer Service Movement page and feel free to leave a review. I love hearing what you think about what I do, and if there are any questions at all, please hit me up on through the messages, hit send message and ask me a question. All right, have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye.